A long-running dispute that began in 2013 between Mbodo community in Ikwiri local government area and Rumekini in Obiabo over the Ohiansumide land has been settled by the Rivers State High Court. In her judgment, Justice Elsie Thompson held that ownership of the land rests with the Omoakachi and Omuchiwon families of Mbodo and barred the people of Rumekini from entering the property.
Clearly, the court has declared title in respect of the Nsumide land in favor of the Mbodo community. The court struck out as unmeritorious the case of the Rumekini community, and we're happy about it.
One of the plaintiffs says despite the lengthy legal process, the families are satisfied with the outcome.
This was land that we gave to the Rumekini community to be our customary tenant. And all the years before we were born, everything, they've been having that kind of cordial relationship with us until it got to a time when the new airport road crossed the land. It happens that the land has appreciated to the level that people can begin to sell and make money. Based on that, the community now refused to come and begin to pay the traditional rights to the families involved. And all of a sudden, they started contesting and taking possession of the land that we gave them to cultivate on our behalf. So, a lot of intimidation, harassment, violent acts, and every other things. And we felt that we were not comfortable with that, and we had to file a suit against them. And today, to the glory of God, the judgment is in our favor.
Meanwhile, the Academic Staff Union of Polytechnics at Ilichi Amadi Polytechnic, which acquired the land in 2011 before the dispute, says some of its members died before the case was concluded.
It's quite emotional for me, knowing that some of my colleagues have passed on and some have retired. But we give God the glory for the verdict today that we actually bought from the right source, and we hope that we will no longer be disturbed by anybody in developing the land that we had acquired.
Although Defense Counsel declined comments on the judgment, it remains unclear whether an appeal will be filed. The ruling, however, brings closure to a dispute that stalled development along the new Port Harcourt Airport Road. Charles Operum, Channels Television News.